In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tab in Salesforce as part of our Salesforce online training series. This is an essential skill for customizing your Salesforce environment to better suit your organization's needs. Let's dive right in and get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, look towards the top right of your screen. Here you'll want to click on the gear icon. This icon gives you access to several setup options. From the list that appears, select Advanced Setup to bring up the full setup page. It's where much of the Salesforce magic happens. Now, on the setup page, you'll notice a search bar labeled Quick Find. This feature helps you locate specific settings quickly without having to scroll through endless menus. Type tabs into this quick find box and you should immediately see the tab settings option. Select this to proceed. Upon entering the tab setup area, you're presented with various types of tabs you can create. You need to decide which type of tab best suits your needs. You can create custom object tabs, which are perfect for custom objects that you've developed to meet specific business processes. Alternatively, if you're looking to integrate external content, web tabs are your go-to choice. They allow you to display web content directly within Salesforce. Lastly, for a more dynamic interface, consider creating a Lightning Component tab. This type enables you to showcase Lightning components as individual tabs, enhancing functionality and user interaction. If you're creating a custom object tab, you'll need to specify which custom object you want to associate with the new tab. This ensures that the tab accurately reflects the data and processes important for your team. Once you've selected your object, it's time to give your tab some personality. You can choose a tab style that includes an icon and color. This visual differentiation helps users easily distinguish between tabs at a glance. Optionally, you can also add a description and a custom label for your tab. Adding a descriptive label can improve usability by making it clearer what purpose the tab serves and preventing any confusion among team members. While this step isn't mandatory, it's beneficial for clarity and organization. Finally, after you've filled in all the necessary details and made your selections, it's time to bring your new tab to life by clicking the Save button. This action commits your choices to the system, making the tab available for use, and there you have it. You've successfully created a new tab in Salesforce, customized to fit your organization's unique needs. Whether you're dealing with custom data, need to display external content, or want to integrate dynamic components, Salesforce tabs are an invaluable tool in optimizing your workflow. Thanks for following along and happy customizing.